This is DJI Mini 3 Pro, and today I'll show how you can change the dual band frequency or the transmission frequency on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the DJI Fly app either on your phone or on your remote controller. Here, go into the Flying interface, next launch settings, then open the transmission category. And here on top, you can select or switch the frequency value between 2.4 gigahertz, 5.8 gigahertz, or dual band or automatic mode, so that it will select between those two values automatically. Just choosing what value is best for any given scenario or situation you're currently in. I just recommend, you set it just to be a dual band. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.